Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to learn how to add and delete decimals inside of Microsoft Excel to your numbers. So to be able to do that, I have created a set of random numbers as you can see right here. And what you can see is that those numbers have each of them 3 decimals. So if, for example, I want to reduce the number of decimals that those numbers have, or expand the number of decimals that those numbers have, there is a way to do that. How exactly can I proceed? It's pretty simple. What you want to do at first is simply select all the numbers that you want to add a decimal to them. And then the next thing that you want to do is simply go inside of Home and go inside of Numbers. And here, you will be able to increase the decimals here. So for example, if I want to increase the number of decimals, and each time that I refresh the page, as you can see, the same amount of decimals stays. And if I want to decrease the number of decimals, I just go here, and I will be able to decrease the amount of decimals that those numbers contain. So each time that I refresh my Excel spreadsheet, there is just one decimal that will appear. If I want to make it a little bit bigger, well, I can make it like this. And as you can see here, I have more than one decimal that will appear right after my number. If, for example, I make a calculation, so let's say this cell right here plus this cell right here, as you can see, it will generate me an answer with 4 decimals, so it's pretty much the same thing. If I want to delete all the decimals, well, I'm able to do that. I can simply go here and decrease the number of decimals. And as you can see, each time that I refresh the page, the only thing that I will see is a number without decimals. But once again, it's you who decide how much decimals you want. This is how you can add decimals or decrease the amount of decimals that you want inside of your numbers in Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you have liked my video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.